Look, I thought I was alone, but I keep hearing this noise come from my room. It's getting louder and louder, almost as if something was looking for something. It's like a knock, but then a couple seconds later, a louder knock. It's driving me crazy. I am insanely scared right now. You have to believe me. I am alone, and I know that for a fact. My parents already left for work. I'm sitting in my living room now looking at my door. I think to myself that I have to look inside it. I walk up to my door and open it, and inside was the usual. A reclining chair, my TV stand, my bed, and my wardrobe, and 2 tables. I didn't see anything out of the ordinary. Nothing was knocked over. That was the biggest relief that I have ever felt in my life. It felt like I lost 1,000,000 pounds. I was so happy. I closed my door, and as I made my way back to the couch, completely in relief, I hear it. My door opens, and I think to myself, I didn't look behind the recliner.